USL in Bukidnon State University. As the assistantship unfolds, practice teachers keenly observe the participants, focusing on their engagement levels during various activities, particularly peer to peer interactions. The observations highlighted a concerning trend of students experiencing a significant loss of focus. Despite meeting the selection criteria, students exhibit signs of distraction, becoming talkative and exhausted, and demonstrating a lack of seriousness in task completion. This observed disengagement is particularly evident in peer to peer activities, where the students' attention seems to waver, hindering their ability to immerse themselves in the learning process fully. The need for improved teamwork skills is also identified, suggesting a potential connection between collaborative activities and the observed challenges in maintaining focus. Grasping and tackling these issues is essential to improve the overall effectiveness of the assistantship program.
Next slide, please. So, and the, for our action research data gathering method and the researchers exploration to enrich student engagement through collaborative learning, the researchers have embarked on a structured action research journey. The methodology revolves around a comprehensive data gathering approaches aim at understanding the dynamic interplay of students' perspective and integrating an assessment tool during peer cooperation. So we have So we have 8 steps here for our data gathering method. The first one is the pre-survey questionnaire, where the researcher will first obtain students' initial views and perspective regarding having an evaluation tool during peer cooperation by conducting a pre-survey or questionnaire before introducing any assessment instrument. And for the second step, analyze pre-survey data. The researchers will analyze the pre-survey data to find recurring